preposition, or you can say position words. Where is the cat? After watching this video, you'll be able to answer it. This is part 2 video on preposition. I've already uploaded part 1. The link is given in the description box. You can also go through that. A preposition is a word that tells us where a person, a place, an animal, or a thing is. They always come before a noun or pronoun. In this video, we are going to focus on between, behind, in front of, and over. Let's see this one by one. Between. When there is something in the either side of an object or a person we are talking about, we use the word between. Or we can say something is in the center of two things or person. Let's see some examples. The dog is between two boxes. Two boxes are there, and in between the dog is sitting. The house is between the two trees. Next one, behind. When an object or a person we are talking about is at the back of something else, we use the word behind. Example, the clown is hiding behind the curtain. Here, behind is a preposition. The dog is behind the box. The dog is hiding. The dog is behind the box. Next is in front of. When someone or something is ahead of another thing, we use the word in front of. Example, he is sitting in front of his computer. The dog is sitting in front of the car. Next is over. We use this preposition when we are talking about above or higher than something else. Let's see the example. The horse is jumping over the fence. The birds are flying over the house. Now, let's test your knowledge. Where is the cat? In the beginning, I asked you this question. Now, I believe you all are able to answer it. The cat is dash the box, between, behind, or over. The cat is behind the box. Very good. Next one, where is the cat? The cat is dash the box. Options are in front of, over, or between. The correct answer is the cat is between the box. Next one, where is the cat? The cat is dash the box. Options are in front of, between, over. The cat is in front of the box. Next one, again, where is the cat? The cat is jumping dash the box. Options are behind, over, between. And the correct answer is the cat is jumping over the box. I hope these 4 prepositions are also clear to you. Thank you so much for learning with us.